Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add lead form to your Instagram profile. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your Instagram and log in into your account and click on profile in the right bottom corner. And then you need to click on edit profile. Here you need to scroll and click on action button and click on this arrow icon here, and here you can see so here you can see in learn more you can see option to add the lead form. So let me show you the preview. So here you can see what services are you looking for. So this is the detail, and if you want to add, you simply need to click on done and click on tick mark on the top right. Click on tick mark again. So now lead form is added. So this is the process by which you can add lead form to your Instagram profile. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.